Welcome back. Now you learn all about this page. It's time to start with downloading the necessary tools that we need to start with this language. So in order to do that, let's open the new browser, and the tools that we need is a Java JDK. So Java JDK is you can just write JDK install. So just search JDK install and you will see this Java SE downloads in here. Just now click and open this web page. Then from here you have to go to this Java platform JDK 11, then click download. So when you click download, it will take you to this page. By the way, Java JDK is a short for Java Development Kit. Okay, so we have to download the Java Development Kit for your operating system. If either you are using the Linux or Mac OS or Windows, so make sure first you have to accept the agreements and license. So here the agreements and license, go ahead and read it. Then click, if you confident with, then click accept. Then go to your operating system, either Mac OS, or you can go for the Windows, download for the Windows. All you have to do is just click here and it will start downloading. In my case, I already downloaded and installed it, so I don't need to do it again. So in this point, if you download this, your operating system, either Windows or Mac, is ready to install any tool that we need to start with. For example, if we will go Android Studio, we will search for the Android Studio, and now when you download the Android Studio, your operating system's environment is ready to start downloading the Android Studio. Okay, so all you have to do, hit download the Android Studio, which we will not going to use it at the beginning because we will going to learn how this language works, right? So at the beginning we don't need it. If you don't want to download it for now, it's okay. But if you want to download it, make sure download the version which is over 3. So right now the release versions that we got, it's 3.3.2. May in the future this number will change. Don't worry, if it change, make sure it's over 3, because over 3 they have a Kotlin support a Kotlin language. Okay, if you need to download the new version or the beta version, you can come to the review. Okay, and in review you can see the color is yellow, so this is this version. You can download this, either this one or that one, which is 3.4 in this particular moment. Okay, so if you will if you are going to download this one, I recommend it to download the release version, because it's have no bug. But if you want to learn, or if you wanted to go to the beyond and see what they have covered in the new version, or a new versions of Android Studio, you can download as many Android Studio you want on your operating system. Don't worry about it. You can click download here, it will start downloads. If you have already downloaded the JDK in your operating system, you are good to go. If not, you have to download this one before you start downloading any other tools. In this series, I will be using Intellij Ide, which is a program that I will going to use to teach you. It's just like a playground that I can use it to teach you how this language works. So in my case, I will use Intellij Ide, but if you are not confident to download so many tools, don't worry, there is a website, you can just search try Kotlin. Just search for the try Kotlin, then you can see this website, which is say try Kotlin simplest version. If you are clicking this, then it will automatically take you to this point that you can follow along with me and see what I do, and repeat yourself here and learn about all the new things that we will going to learn, which in the next video we will start with a variable, which is a very beginning for any language. And by the way, all the language are similar in this way. Maybe some code are changed there and there, but mostly the basic idea is the same. So follow along. If you want to download the Intellij, which I recommend, because I will put the source in the descriptions below. So anytime when we finish one video, so I will put the source code in the descriptions below, so you can download the source code and access it later in this particular place. Okay, so what you want to do, you have to click the download, and simply you can see the Windows or Mac or Linux, which operating system you are using. Click that one, then download the community version, which is free. If you wish to use the paid one, it's okay, you can go and download this one, but you have to pay monthly or yearly. But I use the free one, which is free, and in my case it's good and I can use it. Okay, so go ahead, download this one. Or if you don't want to download this, don't worry, just head up to the next video and start learning a variable. And you can use this website, which is trykotlinlanguage.org. And from here you can just simply run any you can see it here. Let's say hello world, and here you go, there's hello world, which it's print out the same thing. So either way, which one you will confident with, use this one. For me, in my case, I will use Intellij. In the next one, I will show you how to create Intellij suite, Intellij Kotlin project, and we will start with variables. Okay, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.